Behold, my Moto Compo, a machine so devastatingly fast, so unfathomably powerful, that mere mortals can't even perceive its true speed. Legends say it bends time itself. Scientists beg me not to unleash it, but today, I will. I thought, what better way to truly respect this mighty beast than to install this massive cannon, instead of the pea shooter it currently has. The Moto Compo, being the ever-practical bike, comes apart a breeze. This puny stock exhaust, pathetic, a straw, an insult. 3 screws stand between me and destiny, and now they're gone. In its place, this Ari Racing masterpiece, forged by wizards, tuned by philosophers, and blessed by the thunder gods themselves to amplify the eternal 2-stroke symphony. Let us mount the cannon. Locked in, sealed, easy. Almost too easy. But wait, there's more. The bazooka comes with a high-flow air filter. With this, milliliters, no, oceans of pure atmosphere, known as CO2, will cascade into the Kabi like a typhoon of power. Okay, panels are back on. Transformation complete. The butterfly has left the cocoon. Behold, beauty incarnate. Now, to awaken the beast, the cold start ritual. Glorious. The heavens tremble. And now, the ultimate test. A single holy pull. Join me next time as I shatter the quarter-mile record, the sound barrier, and possibly the space-time continuum.